Kani kadai ke Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ban kentiu yi jika jungok kai perthai ki baran hakaleng ki jella jong kani keri India. Bat ban pesu tho ya ki ba ban ie chua bat buram shua ya ki jaka badan nam halaga jong kari. Kakan hon Riam Travel and Tourism Bazaar Private Limited. Mentaus nam arjakat praro sasisien kan sepelong biang ya kalempong ke ba ontem kum ka Travel and Tourism Bazaar. Hakani kanong ba Shillong. Ya kani lai tho de kinoi lam jong kani ka kanhon bakan thop yu director u Amit Biswa bat Usurajit Saha. Ha ka jing kando bat kinong pathai khobor ha ka arpandre trek matau nai wing arajakat pra ha Shillong Press Club. Bat ya kani ka Travel and Tourism Bazaar on pelong na do ka arpa pra hadu ka lai pho trek menta u nai wing arajakat pra ha po All Saints Hall. Hakini kilai sngi on pau perthai ye kijakan chok kai perthai ki badan hakalengari India ki babon lese kimpat jupoi namar ki babon hi kinong India ki khore ashwa banejngo ya ki jaka ki badan chabari ki jaka jngok kai perthai ki ba on sakham pau perthai hakini kilai sngi kinthop ye ki badan hakajala Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Kerala, Meghalaya bat kiwe de ki jilla.
Our objective is to promote the different states or destination of India in a single window. As in, definitely in different, in Shillong we are doing for last 5-6 years. So that is our initiative. If we can accumulate all the state tourism body in a single place, then the people who like to travel in different part of India, they can get the exposure of different states to get the information about the different tourism activities and tourism products about all over the India. As you know, in India we have a different kind of tourism products. So every year that we have taken the initiative to gather all the state tourism body here. People who like to travel from Shillong, they can gather the information about the different states, different tourism activities. That is the basic objective.